When you open up Canva online, you'll see that you can just come down here and you can just type in poster, and you can choose a blank poster just down here. Okay, let's open that up. That opens a new tab or a new page for you. We're going to come over and we're going to come to elements, and we're going to use AI to generate some elements. And you'll see that AI is just right here. You can generate your own. So now we can come up here, we can type what kind of AI we want. So World War, that's for example. Here we go, let's just type World War, and we'll see what kind of images we get generated. Okay, we'll come down here to generate image. It takes a little bit. I'm just gonna jump ahead in the movie. So we have our images generated. We can choose whichever one we want. When we click on it, it will just appear here. Now you'll see I've clicked too many times, so I can just delete one. And I can click on it and then drag a handle, move it around. You'll notice the snapping that's happening. See the lines when it snaps into the middle or wherever. I can come up here and add a border. So I can add this border, change the border weight. You can see it getting thicker. I can change the corners, get they rounder or less round. Back up here, I can change the color next to the border, line border. You can just choose whichever color, for example, the SHR colors. I can make it gradient, so it's going from one color to another, and I can change the style of the gradient. Down over here now, what we're going to do is I'm going to go up and add some text, and I'll just choose this text here at the top that's recently used, because there's a couple of different elements to it. When I add this, I can move it around, and I can make it bigger, and then I can break things apart, so I can ungroup. And I can, in this case, I'm going to come in here and type first. So I just want World War, and then, or in World War, sorry. And then I'm going to get AI to generate more for me. So I'm going to use this magic write, and I'm going to continue writing. And you'll notice that it writes a whole bunch of copy, a bunch of text for me. So here we go. Now I'm going to get rid of the in World War because I can bring this down. Can resize this, but let me get rid of World War. So I'm going to ungroup this and delete, and then I can type in here, for example, I'm going to just select all, Command A, World War II, and then I'll bring this text down. You notice that I can resize it by dragging the right handle. I can come up and I'm going to ungroup or delete that as well. Move this over, and I'm going to justify this to the right. So I come up to this button here, there's center and right justified. And then maybe I'm going to get an element. I'm going to come back up to elements, and instead of creating a search for element, maybe I'll find a gun. So I'll probably find that under war. Let's see all graphics over here, and search down. There we go, there's a gun. Bring that in, and I can maybe have it bleeding off the side, resize that, and maybe I'll change the color as well for that. And here we go. Okay, this is the beginning of a poster using Canva.